They must be confident, right, in speaking, right. They keep what they're going to say short. Basically, the key would say be concise. That will be emphasize the main points of your arguments. Right, trying to convince before you can convince the judge or of course me as to what the position you takes. I mean that's the main requirement. Frankly speaking, I'm more confident in English oral advocacy because I was trained, as most of you, students they were trained in English, but sometimes nowadays in Hong Kong, getting a lot of litigations are conducted in Chinese. I think that the problem, the challenges are some of the terms, the legal jargons, and in Chinese. We sort of don't have such information, or we are not aware or don't understand some of the Chinese legal jargons. I'm teaching legal research writing as well in Hong Kong U. So I'm a student, apart from doing just the traditional way of doing research, I require students to do research, if they can, in Chinese, to make sure they get the overall complete picture of the law. It's a skill. You cannot acquire the skill overnight, right? It takes time. If you want to improve skills, you have to merge yourself into the field. Try to expose yourself to, if you're serious about being a lawyer, right? You should expose yourself to more different court works where you can face with what's happening, what's happening in the real world. Okay, for young students, during for summer or winter, they have a chance to be a summer intern, winter interns. They have to know more barristers or solicitors as their mentor. Right? I think they are very good sources of advice, right? Apart from teachers. Of course, we as professors are happy to discuss with any students on the homework or any problems they face in their studies. I think the more people you know in these professions, that would be better. I think preparations, right? Preparation is the key. In the oral advocacy, you're trying to convince the judge on the points, right? And making submissions, well prepared on the content, the substance, as well as you don't need very good English. I mean, orally to achieve that point, right? But you need at least to convey your idea clearly and concisely to the audience. I mean, again, that's the key.